Hey everyone, if you've decided to stop using Bolt AI's paid plan and want to cancel your subscription, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a Bolt AI subscription step by step in 2026. First, visit the Bolt AI website and sign in to the account associated with your active subscription. Make sure you're using the same email address you used when purchasing the plan. Once you're logged in, go to your account settings. You can usually access this by clicking your profile icon in the dashboard and selecting Settings, Billing, or Account. Next, locate the Billing or Subscription section. This area contains information about your current plan, payment method, renewal date, and subscription status. Before canceling, review your active plan details. Check your next billing date and verify whether you'll continue to have access to premium features until the end of the current billing period. Now find the Cancel Subscription, Manage Plan, or Billing Management option and click it. Depending on the platform, you may be redirected to a payment management page. And that's how to cancel a Bolt AI subscription in 2026. By following these steps, you can stop future billing and manage your account with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.